Hello, this is Magic Sing Canada, and today I'm going to show you how to use your ET software CD. You may have noticed that your ET19K comes with a CD, and you might have wanted to know what to do with it. There's actually a few applications, and I'm going to show you exactly what they are. So first, you're going to want to pop your CD into your computer. Now the first screen that's going to be shown on your computer will be an autoplay. Most computers will have this, and you're going to want to press the Run Setup EXE. It'll start the running of your installation software. So you have three different buttons on your ET installer. You have the Install USB drive, the Install ET Manager, and the Install Magic Encoder. For the USB drivers, this one must be installed before connecting to your Magic Sing. This will allow the ET19 to connect to your computer, and as well, it will let the other programs interact with your Magic Sing. The ET Manager is for images and recorded songs. There's two different applications for this one. For the images, you can actually change your background images. Using the ET Manager, you can convert image files you have in your PC into background images that will work with the Magic Sing. And so then you can use your own personal pictures from graduations to weddings, your pets. And these will be shown on your TV while you're singing. As well, it can help with your recorded songs that you've recorded on a recording pack. This way you can actually save your songs to your computer and even make your own album. For this, a USB cable connected to your Magic Sing is needed. And finally, the Magic Encoder. This converts video files for moving picture backgrounds. Magic Sing doesn't support all kinds of file formats, so most files will need to be converted to play on your Magic Sing. So first, I'm going to do the most important one, the USB driver. It may take a little while to load and install, but just be patient, it will download for sure. So then, once your installation is finished, an Install Shield wizard will pop up. I'm going to go with the default and restart it now. It's a good idea to take your disk out of your computer just to make sure there aren't any complications during your restart, and then once your computer has rebooted, you can put it right back in. So now that your computer has finished restarting, you're going to want to follow the same instructions at the beginning of the video, only this time we're going to hit Install ET Manager. A screen will pop up right away and it'll disappear almost as quickly as it came up. But make sure not to do anything else. Another window will appear. Just wait it out. It may take a few seconds. So now we're going to start the installation. Hit the next button, and your install will begin. And there you have it. Your ET Manager is now done. Hit the finish button and it's totally installed. Next we have the Magic Encoder. This one will take a little bit longer, but is pretty simple. Your installation will then begin, and again you'll hit the next button to begin. You're going to want to read through the license terms, and once you've read through those, hit I agree. You can choose where you want your install to be downloaded. I'm just going to keep it as the default. It's pretty easy. You can then select the language which you want to use during the installation. The next thing that's going to show up is the FFD show. This is an important part of Magic Encoder. Don't worry, it's not some random virus or something. This is actually a decoder that will be used in the Magic Encoder. So again, to begin, hit next. You'll be able to choose where you want to have this destination. The next screen will then show the video formats that can be decoded, as well as video formats. And at the end, you'll have a few more customizable options. I'm just going to go with the default. Then you'll be able to choose your speaker setup. Don't worry about this too much. You can change this later in the mixer settings in the Magic Encoder. Review what you have in the next screen. Make sure it's all correct. If not, hit the back button. If it is correct, hit install. Once you come to the final screen, you can choose if you want to run certain programs, or if not, don't click any and just hit finish. Again, you'll be asked to restart your computer. You can either reboot it now or you can manually reboot it later. Choose which one you'd like and hit finish. Next up, I'm going to show you what your ET Manager and your Magic Encoder look like when you first start them. As you'll notice, there will be two new desktop icons, the ET Manager and the Magic Encoder. I'm going to start with the ET Manager. You'll have two screens, one for the background image function and one for the recorded song. With the Magic Encoder, you'll have the first screen, which is you can preview your video and choose whatever you like with your Add Files button or your Open Folder, as well as Clear List and Preview. Once you're ready to convert, you'll come to your second screen where you can then go back, Open Folder, or exit. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos.